Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne and I'm so happy to have you guys here today. Today we're going to be making Marley twist, and I'm so excited to have this hairstyle done finally because I've been looking for the materials for ages. So first I'm going to be dividing my hair into different parts. I'm going to be doing about 50 different parts. I don't know if it's going to be up to 50, but we're going to be targeting 50. So let me go and do that first. I put my hair into sections now. I don't think I have up to 50. I think I have about 40 to 48, but it's going to work. This is the hair I'm going to be using. I'm using a mix of two different brands, but they're both Marley hair, and I'm going to be using Shine and Jam to achieve this hairstyle. Very important. So first of all, you're going to apply the Shine and Jam to the piece of hair that you're trying to braid. Then I'm going to take my hair extension. I'm using two strands, and I'm going to try to extend it so it's not starting at the same point, just like spread it out. And then the next thing you're going to do is to wrap. So you're going to use one of the strands to wrap first every other piece of hair before you now braid. When you braid, then you begin to twist, and you twist down to the end, making sure that your hair is tucked safely in between the Marley hair. So each time, just make sure that your hair is in between so it doesn't pop out. But the good thing about Marley hair is that if it's black and your hair is black, there's just going to be this perfect blend because of the texture. So that's one thing I loved about this hairstyle when I carried it. Now, even though I knew I was going to curl the tips of my hair, I still twisted down to the very end because I wanted it to come out neat in case the curls disappear, because I don't really expect Marley hair to hold curls. I don't know why. Finally, I'm halfway done with my hair. It's just remaining the front section, but at this point, NEPA took light, so I had to continue the next morning. So this is me doing that. One thing I noticed while I was making this hair is how easy it was. Honestly, if there was no disruption of the power supply, I would have been done with this hair in less than 5 hours. In fact, 4 hours, if I'm being honest. It was quick, it was easy, and I got exactly what I had in mind. But right now, I am putting my hair in hot water because I'm trying to achieve some curls at the end. And the water was so hot, and I was so sleep deprived because I had to work during the night. But you will love the final look as much as I did. Trust me.